Yo, what's up guys? Today, Tater, check him out. Right. He's got some windows for back here, so he can finally get the windows back in, start getting his interior back together. The quad, as you guys seen in the last video, it wasn't working right. And yeah, I was super upset. I ordered things that I probably didn't need, but it's fine. Well, I guess it's arguable, you know, because I definitely needed it, but I made it work without it. So check it out. We got the handy dandy, and you still got to turn the key, but check it. Two times, huh? So weird. Oh man. What the fuck? Alright, so as you guys can see, it obviously works and it rips, but I don't know if I was doing that because it finally got warm. I have no idea. It would fire right back up. You guys seen that? Obviously, you already just seen the footage, but I don't know. I am not sure. I am not sure at all, to be honest. But it works, I guess. But if I want to rip it down the fucking river in the winter, I can't be having it bog out on me in the middle of the river. That should be sketchy. Tater ran home. He's working on his winder. He's got these tests fitted up. Hasn't seen it on the ground yet, but it still looks dirt nasty. Ah, na. He's got these, but then if you push here, you got that, but then if you push here, then it's gone, so he's working on that. He got the inside painted around the trim. You guys probably can't see that at all. But yeah, Tater's working at getting his new fancy winder in. We just took a rip on the quad. So the G, I had climbed under there and I had noticed that, so there's a stud on my diff. Alright, walk and talk with me here. So there's a stud on my diff, and that goes through the rear subframe. Oh, aimed at my chest. Goes through the rear subframe. And it has a bushing on it. And this is the stud. It's kind of dark over here too, but this is the stud. It goes through a rubber bushing, and every time you clutch kick it on a G35, you beat the fuck out of that bushing, and also your diff bushings. But you can buy, there's multiple different diff brace fucking things you can buy. So I had went with GK Tech, but just because I was talking about it, I'm gonna look it up quick. Okay, I don't know if this is focusing, but I went with the GK Tech 350Z G35 diff brace. That's what I went with. Lots of people recommended going with the Bell Raceworks Z1. You know, you guys get the point. There's multiple other ones, but these up here are the main doggies. So I wanted to get the Bell Raceworks, but I want to get it before the drift event, and it wouldn't have came before the drift event, so I ordered the GK Tech from GK Tech themselves, because Njuku was telling me that it was on back order, and yeah, we just don't play those games. So we got that coming. We got to get that in. I'm not sure if I showed this in the last video. I don't think so. But I managed to scoop a bunch of 17s. These are my 18 low pros that I got. These are all 18s. These are Taters. These are my dad's for the Mustang. Yeah. Lots of stuff going on here. We just got to get a hold of Flipper one of these days this week and go ahead and get tires mounted up and just go ahead and get ready for the event. So that's my update for now. I'll get back at you guys when we're doing something. Okay, so it's the next day. The kill switch for the quad came in. The ignition switch came in. Check it. Big quad guy. And no, I didn't just fire it up and start revving it. I was riding it before. So fuck you if you thought that. So, Tater is currently throwing more shit on my floor.
Yeah, I am.
Used like 3 cans of my brake clean.
2.5.
2.5.
Maybe 2.5.
Listen to him! Those ain't cheap around here. That's $40 a case from O'Reilly's under the shop discount. So Tater's got his windows in. I'd say pretty professional install for first time. So my thoughts, haven't talked to Tater about this yet. Back window, primo. This, shit fucking design. I don't know what the fuck they had going on here. Like, what is it? Yeah, hey Biggie, come fucking push up my fucking plastic for me. Dumb fucking design. Dumb design. If anybody watching the channel, you got an E46, you got fake fucking windows, and you got a better setup, comment down below. But I know that that's there's nobody. So he put these in, and he cocked it right here.
So I didn't have to use
Foam strips. And try to hold it all in.
Otherwise, people use a bunch of like bolts and shit on the outside, like like one here, like I'm using right here.
Yeah.
I only used 2 and then just cocked the whole fucking thing.
And it looks clean as fuck.
But if I would have used black UV,
Did you cock it behind this?
yeah,
You could even take your bolts out probably then.
yeah, I could take those bolts out and just like, I don't know, those sticker bomb the windows. I don't know.
Right. Yeah. Back is clean. Super clean. Flimsy fucking dick. Weight reduction though, so whatever. Tater's got his seat in.
Yeah, because only time I need them is when it's raining.
Right. Literally. Seat is in. And last but not least, this isn't... We talked about how he pulled his diff out. He just got his other diff. We opened it, sprayed... Well, he sprayed a lot of brake cleaner in it while I was eating. And then it's done now. Pa White grabbed it up. It's in the Kia. And he is on the way to his house. And then we're going to meet him there. And he's going to weld it up. So, cut to us at Pa White's crib. It's a nice cooked up 220 welder right there, boys.
Fuck yeah.
Cheese.
Down.
Holding the fort.
You know how to fucking drift. I'm sure you can get it and just fucking send it, but you gotta commit.
That's how she sits. Yeah, to me, it should have been bigger. But
Yeah, because it doesn't really even touch the other side. Like, to be locked into those. I mean, fill it in with weld, but nothing else is moving, so that's for fucking sure.
That was rice fab.
Rice fab.
R-I-S-E.
That was the R-I-C-E.
S-E.
S-E.
R-I-S-E.
I don't know.
They're like $12. Cool.
Becky,
All welded
put
up.
fuck in there.
you know, Becky.
Cheese. Diff is back at the headquarters. C-Tan's here. We did have a Thai money, but he's gone.
Short-lived time money.
So Dad had to weld this up, and then he had to go quick. Well, we had to leave
His house because he had to go somewhere.
I'll weld it up. Willy-nilly. You get the fucking point of how a welded diff works. If you don't, you do now. Gotta clean up the cover. We scoop some Royal Purple synthetic oil.
That's all they really had.
Yeah. Not a big selection at the old Riley's.
Master Pro.
Mom.
So what you're gonna want to do after you weld the diff is clean it up. Use more Big's brakes cleaner.
That one's mine.
How?
I brought it from home.
No, you didn't.
So what? You got my PB blaster.
I did. I used quite a bit of it. No, I didn't. Who's it? I bought this one.
That's the second one.
I bought.
And then you use mine instead.
You said that yours was better.
I didn't say that.
You did. You said you liked the way it sprayed.
Yeah, for me.
So then I started using it.
That's how that works.
Yeah, getting a little clean on. We'll have to spray paint the weld so they don't get rusty.
Charter high speed internet. I remember that's like the first internet we had.
Rick didn't like the length.
Yeah.
Too much length, he says. Yeah, that's a lot.
Well, I'm a short fucking guy.
That's a lot of girth.
My leg is fully extended with the clutch. Fully extended. And I'd be like fucking with that. I'm like, oh, come on now.
Yeah.
Let me not fucking hit myself in the jaw with my elbow while I'm drifting. Taking that off. The diff is, it has the gasket maker on it. And it's sitting. We're gonna let that chill. It's just starting to get a little hard. Just getting there. It's like you smack the meat just a couple times, you know? But that's what's going on. Rick's doing that. We're waiting for the diff. Don't really think much is gonna go on tonight for the rest of the night. I think that's it. Lots of updates in this video. Quad runs now. After you guys seen it die a bunch of times. I don't know, it seems to be fun now. Tater's diff as well, the new winders. We're both drifting on Saturday. Super hyped for that. I'll also be drifting on Sunday. We got a hotel for Friday and Saturday. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Have a nice night.